WSG gods. How y'all doing? Today we see Skei thing. And this is my friend Epic Pro Gamer Gory.
Hello gods.
So like and sub. Alright, I have premium, y'all. We are rich. We have arrived. So this is the Skei. Cool, huh? Look at it, so cool. Hey. Stop. No, don't. Anyways, look at this beauty.
Sorry.
It's fine, IG. It's glitched. Let me spawn another. Oh, look at that.
Ick.
IG, yaw, she said. Okay, let's ride. We so fun. Oh. So fast. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Say bye to them.
Bye bye gods.
Bye gods.